आणि 1200 ची तरी काम अरे जे पापाचे वजे आता जोर जोर चौकात लागला कितलं म्हणून या गरीबांनी लोकांचा फायदा काय जगतात चल बाबाकडे हो चलो किना चल बाबाकडे मुर्ग्यांची सोयरीक जमाना चल बाबाकडे अरे बाबा दिसता ही साधूगिरी सुटकाची आणि हिमालयात वरतात असल्यानी तू हिमालयातनी मेंटल पावतलो बरे तू एकदा बाबा झालो आता या बाबा दिसल्यान तुका सुटकाना.
So Ramesh, this is your first attempt at
in drama, yes.
Yeah.
It is first.
And what's the plot actually about?
Thought about it like, see, mostly, see, in Hindu religion we have 33 crores of gods, and every person still he runs after some other babas and buas and all, which is not a right thing. And because of this psyche of our society, some of the vested interest people, they start taking advantage of it. So this is the message for them, like, please, if you are religious, it's a good thing, but go to the right things, don't go to the wrong things, and don't go to with your problems to the wrong type of people.
And it's unusual to have a play in Konkani.
Pardon?
It's unusual to have a play in Konkani because...
No, it's getting common actually.
It's becoming common.
It's becoming common.
I see.
We are the ambassadors for our language. We are trying to promote it.
But Marathi is also a literary language in Goa.
Yeah, it is. But I think things are changing now. Give it another 10 years and there will be big change.
And the temple is a very strong cultural sphere in that sense.
Yeah, definitely. It is.
So you all have regular theatres here? This is...
Yeah, every year we try to have actually. This year we are having on our own, otherwise we used to get help from others.
Most of the actors are locals or?
All are from
trained by you?
All actually ground root people.
I see.
Yeah. None of them have gone on the stage and all.
Boys and girls?
Yeah, boys and girls. All are ladies actually, married ladies, old ladies.
I see. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
देवावरी खारट ठेवूया नामू भाव आता तो मेरे तुका कसलीच काळजी करपाची गरज ना. आम्ही राजकारणा भाषेत सगळे तरी साफ करिना कोण तरी भायर आयला दिसता कोण तर यो भितर यो माझे नाव कामदेव हा बाबा नामदेवांचा पिये आईची मुस्की सोन स्पेशल सर भितर उचलून लोया